Hello, my name is Amanda, and I work in the Egg Harbor Township Branch of the Atlantic County Library System. Every year we do a Mother's Day craft, and this year's craft is a hanging basket of flowers. You can use it to decorate your home or hang it on your door. Looks pretty just about anywhere, and the best news is it's made out of items that you have lying around the house. All right, you will need tape and a stapler, some scissors. If you have a hole punch, that's great. You'll want some sort of ribbon. It doesn't have to be curling ribbon. And it helps if you have some coffee filters, tissue paper, maybe left over from a present, or even a plastic bag. All right. And of course, you're going to need some crayons and some paper plates. I have here 2 paper plates. I've cut a hole in the top of this one, and the other one you should cut in half, like so. Flip it over and color it. The more effort you put into it, the nicer it will look. And then we're going to take it and put it right on the bottom, like that, and staple it in a few places. If you don't have staples, or maybe you're younger and you're not allowed to use the stapler, you could always try tape or glue. It just takes a little bit longer. All right. Now, you have a little pocket that you can use to insert your flowers. Before we do that, though, let's add a hanger. Tie my ribbon. Get right through and make a knot. Now, since this is going to hang, you're probably going to want to take your flowers down later. Now, let's talk about making those flowers. I've taken some tissue paper. Any color works, and I've cut them into pretty squares, just like so. Squares or rectangles, not too big. And we're going to take some pipe cleaners, cut them in half. Okay? Put your tissue paper down. You probably want 3 of them. One on the bottom, one in the middle, one in the top. You can alternate colors. Maybe I'll use purple. How about that? Then what I'm going to do is going to punch it in the middle like so, and very carefully pinch the back. Give it a little twist. It's going to look a lot like a flower. Take your pipe cleaner, wrap it very tightly around the back. If you don't feel that it's tight enough, you might want to use a little bit of tape. It's important to be neat. And tease out the petals just a little bit. Okay. Would you like to see that again? Let's make another one. Take your tissue paper, arrange it kind of in an alternating pattern like that. Just stack it up. I like to use 3 pieces. Finger in the middle, and give it a little pinch, and a little twist, and now wrap it up. Your pipe cleaner, easy peasy. You're going to need a lot of flowers. If you don't have tissue paper, you can always try using something else, and this is where creativity comes in handy. Coffee filters. Maybe you have 1. You could put 1 like that, or you could put a couple together. Just keep in mind they're a little hard to pry apart. Fold them a little bit. Twist the back. Fluff it out. It makes a pretty decent flower. And of course, tie it up with a pipe cleaner. If you don't have a pipe cleaner, try popsicle stick, or a craft stick, or even maybe a stick from your own backyard. You could use a pencil if you had to, right, boys and girls? Okay. Like so. When we've made a lot of flowers, we're going to put them in the basket. What if you don't have coffee filters? What about these guys? The one-time use plastic bag. All right, what do you do with a plastic bag? Well, first off, make sure the picture is down, and then cut up the colorful part like this. All right, make sure the plastic bag is clean. I'm sure you have a few of these floating around the house. Let's recycle it. All right, take part of the plastic bag. Now you would never know it was a plastic bag. It looks just like a tissue paper. And we're going to cut it into squares. Some plastic bags are blue or white. Those might also be nice to use. Okay. See where I'm going with this? And just like our tissue paper, we're going to stack it on the table like this, just a little bit, 3 pieces. Punch it in the middle, crumple it up, give it a twist, and wrap it up with a pipe cleaner. That's a pretty yellow flower made out of a terrible plastic bag. Right, ladies and gentlemen? Alrighty. So when you're ready, and you've got enough flowers, you want to put the flowers in the basket. And I highly recommend that you start from the top and work your way down. And you might want to tape them in place because if this is hanging up, you don't want your flowers to fall out. Take your time. Put your biggest flowers in first. You can even make leaves. If you want to make them out of green tissue paper or construction paper. Or if you don't have anything green, you can color it green. Right? When you're all done, your basket's going to go from looking like this to looking like this. Thank you for tuning in today, and our YouTube subscribers, be sure to click on that bell for more great content. Thank you, and have an awesome day, and a very happy Mother's Day from the Atlantic County Library System.